we will introduce TAWERS TIG. TIG welding is different from CO2 mag welding since TIG welding can prevent spatter and create beautiful-looking beads. However, there is an issue in that the wire melts slowly and welding cannot be sped up because conventional TIG welding feeds the filler wire to the molten pool on the workpiece for welding. In the TAWERS TIG system that we are introducing, the filler wire is located closely to the electrode, which lets the arc preheat the wire. That way, the wire melts faster and the speed of entire welding process is improved by the TIG welding robot. As already mentioned, TAWERS TIG welding offers much faster welding operations than conventional TIG welding. First, we will show you high-speed welding at 80 centimeters per minute using a 1.5 millimeter thick plate of stainless steel. The first half will show continuous welding, and the second half will show arc spot welding, which shortens the startup time. Next, please watch how welding is done simultaneous to height profiling that absorbs the workpiece's distortion from welding. As you can see, TAWERS TIG is a TIG welding robot that can achieve both a beautiful-looking bead and high-speed welding.